At 3D Powder Hub, we develop materials and technologies for affordable metal 3D printing. What is 3D printing in practice? 3D printing is an additive manufacturing process that creates a part by extruding successive layers of material. This can be compared to subtractive manufacturing processes where material is removed to form a solid single piece. 3D printing accomplishes this by extruding filament out of a small nozzle onto a heading bed. This enables the creation of complex shapes using less material than traditional manufacturing methods. With metal-based filaments, these parts can be printed in metal instead of the traditional thermoplastic. Metal 3D printing has many advantages, including flexible design, rapid prototyping, creation of on-demand and stronger industrial parts, and finally, cost-effectiveness since less material is wasted through the additive manufacturing process. Current 3D printing technology is mostly used to make plastic objects via thermoplastic filaments such as PLA or ABS. However, here at C&M Corp, we are conducting R&D for different types of metal-based filaments. The developed and current metal-based filaments available take a similar approach to the filament used in metal injection molding. MIM is the manufacturing process in which metal powder mixed with a binder is injected into a mold to create a part. After the part is molded, it needs to go through a debinding and sintering process. Debinding uses either heat or chemicals to remove the binders. Sintering then removes the remaining binder and densifies it. This results in a solid metal part being left over. Our e-commerce site, 3dpowderhub.com, is your one-stop shop for daily 3D printing needs, including raw material supply, powder processing equipment, and analysis tools, as well as low to high-end 3D printing systems. We also carry widely used 3D metal powders, such as the 316L stainless steel powder, the 304L stainless steel powder, Inconel powders, tool steel powders, titanium alloy powders, aluminum alloy powders, and ultra-fine carbonyl metal powders. The effects of particle sizes are currently being tested, but some trends have started to form. Using spherical particle shapes as a reference, filamentary particle shapes exhibit more flexibility, while flat particle shapes create harder filaments, and spiky is still being tested. As for particle size selection, smaller particle sizes allow for higher weight percentages of metal and filaments, and creates a more homogeneous mixture. At 3D Powder Hub, we also carry powder processing ball mills, ultra-fine mesh screening sieves, extruders such as the 3Devo machine suitable for metal filament making, and high-end metal 3D printing systems such as the Xerion Fusion Factory, compacted and extended, for the manufacturing of complex parts. It integrates the machines for all necessary technological steps in one system, fulfilling all requirements for an industrial-level production and quality control. Come visit us at 3dpowderhub.com.